BreadBoard boys present to you our project for the Youth ID10 2023. Our team consists of Mohammed Muad, Hazm Irfaz, and Shrilesh Udayakumar studying in Dunes International School. This is the 3D model of our product. Our idea is to access the learning resources by the means of hand gestures. The resources will be projected on the surface of the class table. This thereby eliminates the need of physical learning resources. Many other immersive methods of learning can also be implemented with this. In the project, we have incorporated AI-based gesture detection using Python and C++. Once the user scans the ID card, it redirects to his homepage. On showing various gestures, various functions take place. For example, showing gesture 1 over here opens the textbook. Showing gesture 3 opens the CBSE portal. Our project aims at incorporating AI into everyday learning, with the technology accompanied learning experience availed with the means of our project. Students will be more into learning, and alongside this advantage, students can also access a wide variety of learning materials. Students can easily interact with the device by the means of hand gestures.